What's going on, everybody? Thought I'd show you guys a little something just real quick. The temperature outside right now is 108 degrees. And I decided to try something that I saw when I was a little kid. I remember when I was little and we get a heat wave here in Oklahoma, you see people cooking eggs on the sidewalk. So I figured, let me give it a try. Well, here is our cooked egg, and here is an infrared thermometer. You can see the eggs at 138 degrees, and the cement is around 143. Now, depending on where you check at, I've seen it at 150. Looks like best we're going to get about 145 right there. It's hot. It is hot. Thankfully, the cars are in the shade. But even in the shade, sitting at 114 degrees on the Vet, 113 degrees on the Prius. It is so hot out here. I'm going to show you guys what happened to my flowers. Look at this. My flowers, which we watered last night, have all started just wilting. They're dying. Not very much I can do about it. It's depressing. Alright, that's it. Thought it'd be a fun little video cooking an egg in my driveway. Stay safe out there, everybody. Catch you soon in the next one.